Hey guys, this is Paul from WMR Racing Development in Stuart, Florida. Today I want to talk about code number 9. This refers to 9 blinks on your FI light on the dashboard. This translates to code P1107, which is your ambient pressure sensor circuit. Remember, on a previous video we talked about code number 9 as well, but that time it was pertaining to the crankcase pressure sensor circuit. The crankcase pressure sensor circuit and the ambient pressure sensor circuit are related. That's why code number 9 shares both sensors. That's why it's very important that you have a Nano with you. This way you can pull the code and see the actual difference within the subdivision. At this point, we want to establish a connection between your Nano and your phone. Once you've connected your Nano and established a secure connection to your bike, go ahead and click on the Service tab. Now click on Fault Codes. Next, click on Read. P1107, Ambient Air Pressure Sensor Circuit. So let's take a look at the sensor, see what's wrong with it, fix it, and clear the code. On the current model TBI bikes, the ambient pressure sensor is located under the number plate on the left-hand side of the bike. Remove the airbox cover and then remove the number plate. This is your ambient pressure sensor. It's very important to know that when you remove the rubber sleeve, the sensor has an opening to the atmosphere. That opening sometimes gets filled up with sand, dirt, or mud. That is usually a potential cause of failure. Also, make sure to disconnect the sensor and inspect your pins for any damage or corrosion, as well as the connector on the harness side. Once you've determined the cause of failure and after the problem has been resolved, go ahead and put a little bit of dielectric grease on the connector side, plug it in, put the rubber sleeve back on, and put the sensor back in its correct location. Once you've determined the cause of failure and after the repairs have been completed, proceed to clear the code. Once the code has been cleared, you'll want to read it again to make sure nothing comes up again. There you go, no fault codes found. Now you can go back to the main menu and disconnect. And there you go, guys. Now we've established the difference between code number 9, atmospheric pressure sensor, and crankcase pressure sensor. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.